have some loudmouths in the audience?
Yeah!
Let me get you up here. What is your name? Cara. Cara. Okay, you know what? I'm actually going to do something a little bit. Okay, you go ahead and sit. You over here. Sit over here. What was your name again?
Cara.
Cara. Thank you, Cara. Have a seat. Test. Can we test these real quick? Test.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. There you go. Test. Cool. Excellent. Try the other one. Test. All right, so what we're going to do, Rick, I'm going to throw you under the bus right now.
Oh, no. Wow.
I know. Shocked. So what we're going to do, this is called sound effects, all right? So Andrew and Rick are going to hold a scene, and anytime that they need sound effects, Cara here is going to provide sound effects for Andrew, all right? So Andrew, go ahead and try it out real quick. Yeah, up close to the mic. Really? Sorry. That's like he's in punk off anyways. Nice and loud. Turn it up one for Cara.
Is that blue or green?
Blue. All right, go ahead and try one more time. Okay. I played baseball with Andrew. That's exactly what it sounds like. And Rick,
on the slowest speed.
and Rick, these 4 kids are going to provide your sound effects. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to start with you, okay? After you do one sound effect, you pass it back to him. You do a sound effect, pass it. You keep passing it back and forth until we're the end of the
and
scene.
they're going to get to practice sharing, too.
I know. So you do one. You guys got this? All right, so you go ahead.
What could possibly go wrong?
All right, good practice. It's like I said, sound effects, right?
After I blow up this balloon.
You should have stopped smoking in the other scene. All right, excellent. So what happens? You do one and you pass it down, okay? Excellent. So you guys keep doing that all the way through. All right. You think this will work? No. I said no. They're like, no. All right. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. That's all right. They're fun. This is how we handle 4 volunteers at once and keep raising their hands. All right. Rick and Andrew, they know each other some way, some weird.
Cousins.
You guys are.
They work at Chili's.
You guys work at Chili's together. And action.
Man, cousin. It is hot in this kitchen. I know, because I'm frying up all these delicious Chili's cheeseburgers. Look, sometime you gotta get trained over here on this deep fryer. Because, man, these hot fries are delicious. That's how Cletus lost an eye. You mean Cousin Cletus? No, the other Cousin Cletus. Oh, Cousin Cletus, oh, my heart is aching. You know I can't look at you and chop fruit at the same time. Hey, breathe like that. Right. Cuz, we work at Chili's. We don't use fresh fruit. You gotta get it out of the freezer. Look, I'm not chopping anything out of that freezer. I like this one. Because it's so windy and everything. No.
Time out.
Oh, yes, it stopped. I'm concerned. You look really cold. I'm going to get this blanket out. Wrap it around. Okay, let me just drink some soda. These new cans are off of Stealth Pepsi. Man straw. A stealthy man straw. I wanted to try that. Oh, I got another one. Well, let me try it. Back in that freezer.
It's on the fridge.
Okay.
Try one. I'll save you. Hey,
Man, that was that french fry that came out.
if you died on your birthday, check out this present I got you.
I can't believe you remembered.
Me neither.
I
It's
can't-
from last year. It's still good. Open it.
It kind of smells. Woo! Smells like mice. I think I'm gonna open it.
I got it mailed in from the Australian outback. It's probably angry. They said no matter what you do, don't shake the box. Let's see.